Now, the advice may have come in from a veteran leader from the Congress party, but it looks like the Congress party is now resorting to mocking him. Udit Raj going on to say that Manishankar Aiyar should join the TMC, while Imran Masood said that none, apart from Rahul Gandhi, can strongly challenge Prime Minister Modi and the BJP.
देखिए, राहुल गांधी के अलावा कोई मुझे नजर नहीं आता जो मजबूती से इनका मुकाबला कर सके। कहीं ना कहीं जाकर के कमजोर पड़ते हैं, इसलिए राहुल गांधी ही हैं जो इनके साथ मुकाबला कर सकते हैं।
My colleague Nyamika is joining us on the broadcast, and Nyamika, the advice coming in from multiple leaders from within the India bloc, and now veteran leaders from the Congress party also saying the same, that Rahul Gandhi should step aside and other leaders like Mamata Banerjee should take the charge. Is the Congress party going to take up this suggestion or advice?
Well, it doesn't seem so. We have seen that how the Congress party is basically trying to create a narrative that it is Rahul Gandhi only who can fight against Prime Minister Narendra Modi or the BJP government at center, and for that reason we have seen that how various statements are also being made by the Congress party's MPs and the other senior leaders, including Mr. Imran Masood. We have just listened to the statement which has been given by Mr. Imran Masood, and while speaking to Times Now, he has even gone on to say that the regional parties are even fighting for their existence in this country, and that is the only reason why it won't be appropriate for any regional parties to lead the entire India bloc, and for that reason he stated that only Rahul Gandhi can be the leader of the opposition here in this country, and even he stated that he is the person who has been continuously raising the concerns which are related to the common man of this country, or who is fighting against Prime Minister Narendra Modi's policies. But on the other side, if we talk about this debate, this entire political debate which had started when the TMC's MP had given this kind of a suggestion that it would be much better if Mamata Banerjee should be the face of the opposition. Since then, we have seen that how various statements have been made by different political parties, whether it is DMK or the TMC or the other parties. They are also suggesting that it would be much better if the regional party leaders should lead the entire India bloc, whether it is Mamata Banerjee, MK Stalin or any other leader. We have seen that how Mr. Manishankar Aiyar had also, firstly he had backed Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan to become the next Chief Minister of Kerala. He even gone on to say that it should be the left parties, the LDF, who should once again form the government in the state of Kerala, and that is for the development of the state as well. But the recent statement which he has made, the way in which he has mentioned that without Mamata Banerjee there will be no existence of the India bloc parties, and he even gone on to say that it would be much better for Rahul Gandhi to leave that particular position and give that space to any leader like Mamata Banerjee, Akhilesh Yadav, Tejasvi Yadav or MK Stalin to lead the entire India bloc. That would be much better for Congress party as well. That clearly shows that there is somehow no trust upon the Rahul Gandhi's leadership, and that is the only reason why this kind of statements have been made.
So allies, many of them have said it, and now veteran leaders have said it, but some from the Congress party have resorted to mocking these leaders for these suggestions. Listen in.
ऐसा है कि अब मणिशंकर अय्यर जी टीएमसी ज्वाइन कर लें, क्योंकि तभी तो बैटिंग कर सकते हैं, किसी पार्टी में रह कर के तो कर सकते हैं। खुद कुछ न करे व्यक्ति और हर आए दिन सजेशन देते रहना, तो टीएमसी को पहले ज्वाइन कर लें और टीएमसी में काम करें और टीएमसी में प्रस्ताव लाएं कि ममता जी को तैयार करें, ममता जी के पार्टी में वो काम करें, वरना ये बंद ही कर देना चाहिए रोज कुछ न कुछ बोलना।
So now the big question is Rahul Gandhi losing his grip over the India alliance? Because cracks are clearly visible, with several allies raising concerns over the strategy of the Congress party, from leadership questions to seat sharing to even disagreements over this shirtless protest. Let's take a look at the growing tension or unease within the alliance, where many seem to be challenging the Congress party as well. Let's talk about the TMC, which started off by very clearly saying that they want to see Mamata Banerjee leading the India bloc alliance. So the TMC has been very clear that it is Mamata Banerjee who should be leading the India bloc. On the other hand, you have the DMK ahead of the elections in Tamil Nadu, the DMK has also made it very clear that they're not ready for power sharing with the Congress party. Multiple senior Congress leaders have said that they want to share in power, but the Chief Minister has also made it clear that it's not going to happen. Now let's talk about Maharashtra as well. The Congress party's ally, the Shiv Sena UBT, has also spoken about the strains within the Congress party, going on to say that there are internal strains that the Congress party should work on. And of course, the latest for many seems to be also the Congress's AI summit protest, the topless protest. The RJD has also distanced itself from this summit protest, and it's not just the RJD. Even the Samajwadi Party opposed this protest, going on to say that it's unacceptable. All right, with that, let's shift our attention now. Viewers, the Telangana